Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the exact metal you need and why: investment, manufacturing, or collection. Once chosen, set a budget and decide safe storage. Make sure to include insurance. Next, confirm your payment method and gather ID. Reputable dealers require verification. Begin with small purchases so you can test the market and the seller. You will learn pricing patterns and refine your criteria. This prevents mistakes. Do this now so you can move to the buying steps without delay. You compare live spot prices and add premiums and fees. This is where you save money. Once you find a match, inspect the product details. Assay marks, certificates, and batch numbers. These prove purity. Contact the dealer and verify the return policy and timelines, because once shipped it's harder to reverse. Decide on delivery versus pickup. Factor shipping costs, taxes, and any import VAT. After confirming, place the order and keep all transaction records for accountability and future resale. You receive the metal and immediately verify weight, purity, and that seals or certificates are intact. Do this before signing acceptance. Once confirmed, record serials, take dated photos, file receipts, and update your inventory and insurance details. Store the metal in your chosen secure location and make sure access procedures are documented. If something goes wrong, discrepancy, or damage, stop, hold payment if possible, document everything, and contact the dealer right away to resolve the issue through their.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.